Hi there, this is Whiskey and Whit. I'm Whitney, and today is my fall decor house tour. Welcome to my home. As you can see, we have not gotten our new door installed yet. We've been pushed back. Ugh. Anywho, here is my home. I will try my best to mention where things are from so that you know. This pillow is from Hobby Lobby, and I love it because you guys know I'm obsessed with the red truck. I DIY'd this sign. I will link the DIY up above. I really love candles in the fall and the winter. It really makes my house feel cozy. Another element that I used a ton were these Dollar Tree pieces, both the leaves and these words. You'll see I have them kind of around my house. But these burlap leaves, I've stuck them everywhere and they have made my house feel so fall, and it was so easy. The pumpkins are from the Dollar Tree. I love this photo display that I got as a gift. It's 3 pumpkins, and I was able to showcase a photo of my husband and I at our wedding, my husband and his mom, and then my bridesmaids from the wedding. I love how this turned out. I recently DIY'd this pumpkin tower topiary. I will have that DIY up later this week, so if you're interested, stay tuned for that. And the cotton stem was a Dollar Tree find. Oh yeah. Moving on to my mantle. The pumpkins are from the Dollar Tree. The sweater pumpkins from Target, and I DIY'd the leaf. This truck is from the Dollar Spot, and the pumpkins are from the Dollar Tree. I also used that thankful word against the picture frame in the back to add some dimension. The little pumpkin in the front is Dollar Tree. The tray in the back is from Burlington, and the candles are from my wedding. So here's what it looks like all together. These pillows I am obsessed with, and minus the Target Dollar Spot pillow, I DIY'd the other 3 this weekend. No sew and so cheap. So be on the lookout. I will have a DIY for these buffalo check pillows this week, and they were so easy to make. Also, this pumpkin pillow is a placemat. And this area has really turned into my favorite spot in the house. Everything on here is either from the Dollar Tree or the Target Dollar Spot, and the plaid pumpkins I DIY'd last year. Check out the video linked above if you're interested in the DIY of this leaf. I updated my floral. The white flowers are from Hobby Lobby. The eucalyptus is from Walmart. And then the 4 colored sprigs of flowers are from the Dollar Tree. And when you turn around, you see Sebastian's kennel, and then also this garland along my stairs. I bought this last year for Friendsgiving, and it looks really great on my stairs. Now moving into the living room. Then some more DIY pillows. I'm obsessed with these things. I've wanted buffalo check pillows for forever. This candle smells amazing, and it was $4 and change from Walmart. It totally rivals the throw of Bath & Body Works candles for a third of the price. I also love that I was able to use my Gather pumpkin on my coffee table. This is our IKEA side table. These coasters are from the Dollar Tree, and I used some Dollar Tree pumpkins and a Dollar Tree hurricane vase to create stacked pumpkins along with this Target Dollar Spot sign. And then there's another leaf because I'm obsessed with those. My other couch features some more pillows, and then underneath our TV, my husband built this stand. I've got some photos, so I just added some of my DIY wood fall ornaments to round out that area. My DIY pumpkin sign, again, I'll link this if you haven't seen this DIY yet. My tiered pumpkin set, and then the two other pumpkins are a DIY and from the Target Dollar Spot. My Walmart find, my red truck basket with some more DIY pumpkins I made last year. Now on to the kitchen. Another Walmart candle that smells amazing. Same price, 3 wicked. Definitely check out Mainstays Candles if you are in a Walmart.
Okay friends, so before I show you my prettied kitchen, I want to truth bomb you because let's be real, everyone's house is a hot mess every once in a while, especially when you don't think people are coming over. 99% of the time, it's dirty. And I have dirty dishes in the sink and there's crap everywhere. So I don't want anyone to view this video and think that you're less than or anything like that, because I know the comparison game and YouTube and Instagram and all that stuff is difficult. So I want to be real and let you know that 5 minutes before I'm filming the pretty kitchen, it's a hot mess kitchen and I had to clean it because I was embarrassed to show you all. Girl, I'm just as messy as you are. Actually, I might be more messy. Yeah. At least you guys motivate me to clean. Now back to your regularly scheduled programming.
The pumpkin and baskets are from the Target Dollar Spot and the leaves are from the Dollar Tree. Both pumpkins are from the Target Dollar Spot. And this candle is a Yankee candle that I got for a gift, but it smells like vanilla and goes really well with any other fall scents. Here's my little fall corner where I ended up putting my pumpkin pie sign. And then this white pumpkin brulee candle matches the one in the front room from TJ Maxx. I love that I can put this pumpkin pie sign out. Like I mentioned in my haul, this makes me think of my mom and my brother and home, and you know, living on my own now, it's really nice to have that in my kitchen. I also love this small candle that I found from the Dollar Tree. They don't have very good throw, but they are really cute. They're more decorative than functional, but whatever works. The welcome pumpkin is from Walmart here, and the rest is from Target. And above my cabinets, that cute little truck came from Hobby Lobby, 40% off. Don't pay full price at Hobby Lobby. And then this sign was from Walmart, and the pumpkin is from the Dollar Spot. Here's what on top of my cabinets looks like. Off my kitchen is our half bath downstairs. And here I have a gift, which is the sign. The white pumpkin is from Michael's, and then this cute little guy is from the Dollar Tree. I'm kicking myself. Should have bought like 5 of those when I saw them. I didn't. I just recently got this pumpkin soap holder this weekend as a free item from Bath & Body. It's a coupon circulating. I went out and grabbed another tray because I loved that white one so much from Burlington. Those were a great deal. Here are the 2 shelves above the toilet in this small bathroom. This little stand came from the Dollar Spot to put up some Dollar Tree pumpkins, which give it height. And then also that white pumpkin in the back is from the Dollar Spot last year. I love this bucket, came from Walmart as well, same bucket as that red truck bucket. And here's the full look. I love the pops of orange while it still matches all the decor that I typically have. And now we're heading upstairs to my guest bathroom. I used some Dollar Tree florals to really get those pops of orange and red. I added one of my favorite leaves to carry that theme through the house, and then a white Dollar Spot pumpkin. Guest bathrooms really need to be functional, so I didn't go too crazy here. I just put a leaf in the middle of my tobacco basket, and that really gave it the fall that I was looking for. Next to the sink, I've got 2 candle holders, one of those welcome signs, and those leaves. Seriously, these leaves are the easiest way to add fall decor. I'm not kidding. And then on the other side, another Dollar Tree candle and a Target Dollar Spot sign. And now we are back into my dining room. Here's a full wide shot of what my dining room looks like. Here's my gallery wall. I mentioned in my Decorate With Me that I like to swap out a few items just so then I don't have to put new nail holes in the wall. So I used this Big Lots sign for fresh baked pumpkin pies in one section, and then I also used this Give Thanks chalkboard sign that I got from Walmart, and I love this sign, and I still cannot believe it was under $4. I think it was $3.88. It is so cute. I love that pumpkin, and it really adds that pop of orange that I'm looking for overall. This hutch came from my grandparents, so it's a really sentimental item in my home, and I wanted to figure out how I could add some, light fall touches. So we usually use this as a bar, so I used my Grateful wood crate that I got from Michael's and put all of our alcohol in there, so it's kind of all corral. I also put things like our bottle opener. The Be Thankful sign is from Hobby Lobby, and the rest of the items there are from Target. And then onto my table, I love this 3-tiered tray. I switch out decorations on it for every season, and it is flanked by these 2 white glass pumpkins from the Dollar Tree. I really love the different layers in this tray. I usually leave this lamb's ear greenery in there year round, and I switch out my different colors. So this pumpkin was made for me as a hostess gift from Friendsgiving by my friend Erin. I love it. Also, I've got a family Ray Dunn mug, and I used little pumpkins that I pulled off the clips from the Dollar Tree, kind of add some color and some festiveness in there. Got my hubby and wifey Ray Dunn mugs. Mr. and Mrs. are in our kitchen. Another Dollar Tree candle because I grabbed a few of those. And then some burlap pumpkins from the Dollar Tree. This ornament always stays up because it's from Alex's grandpa. And then my beautiful wreath is going to go on the front door when we finally get that installed. I know I said last week, it's supposed to be this week. Keep your fingers crossed we don't get pushed again.
And there you have it. There's my home decorated for fall. I hope that it gave you some inspiration for your own home for this fall season. And be sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe down below because I've got those DIYs coming later this week and much more content. So stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye!